Example number 3, page 363. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to x square and the line y is equal to 4. Right? लास्ट लेक्चर में वीडियो लेक्चर जो हमने स्टडी किया इसमें सर्कल और इलिप्स का एनक्लोज्ड एरिया हमने फाइंड किया था. Right? Now a curve is given and also one another line is given. Right? So curve is given is y equal to x square is parabola. And this parabola is symmetric about y-axis. So this is a parabola of y-axis. So first of all, we draw a figure for solving this question, right? So this is a parabola of y-axis, right? So this is your parabola y is equal to x square. Okay. So this is y is equal to x square parabola. This is origin 0, 0, and this is x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. This is y-axis, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0, right? So you know parabola is symmetric. This parabola, particularly this parabola is symmetric about y-axis, right? Now, and the line y equal to 4. So y equal to 4 is point somewhere here. So line passing through that point. So this is y equal to 4 line. We have to find out this area, right? हमें ये area find करना है. Parabola, right? Parabola and line y equal to 4. So this is the area enclosed by these two curves. One is line and one other is parabola. Y is equal to x square. Means this curve is symmetric about both y-axis. So what we have to do? हम क्या करेंगे? तो हम फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे और बाद में इसको डबल कर देंगे. Right? So as we know, y is equal to x square is symmetric about y-axis. Required area A is equal to 2 mod I, where I is equal to integration. Now we have two parallel lines, but that lines are on y-axis, and this is a point 0, 4. X is equal to 0, y equal to 4. 0, 4. Right? So what is our limit? On y-axis we have to take y coordinate. This is 0, 0. So limit is from 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Two parallel lines, and the curve is y equal to x square. But what we require? Fy. So we have to subject here from y equal to x square to x is equal to root y, because we are going to take a limit of y-axis. So we have dy, right? So I is equal to 0 to 4 x dy. So we have to make a subject y equal to x square to, right? So what we get? 0 to 4 and root y dy, right? Because y is equal to x square. So x is equal to root y. As x greater than 0, first quadrant. I am not writing now first quadrant. X is greater than 0, that is the enough, right? So we are taking limit of y-axis. So we have dy. So we have to make a subject from these two x. Got it? आपको पता चल गया x को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है, x dy लेना है, जैसे हमने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया था. Now this integration is very easy for you. You know root x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है? 2/3 x raised to 3/2. मगर ये y है तो क्या होगा? 2/3. So what we get? I is equal to 2/3 y raised to 3/2, and limit is from 0 to 4. 0 to 4, right? So substituting 4 here, we get 2/3. Now 4 means 2 square, so I am writing 2 square raised to 3/2, and minus 0 is everything is 0, so this will 0, this will be cut. So this is 2/3, 2 cube is 8, so we get 16/3. So therefore A is equal to 2 mod I, that is 2 into mod 16/3, that is we get 32/3. So this is your required area, 32/3. एनी प्रॉब्लम? गॉट इट? तो क्या करना है पता चल गया ना आपको? हाँ, इट्स अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस, दिस ऑल आर ओनली क्या करना है, ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है और अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू गिव योर आंसर. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पेज 365. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x. So this is a parabola of x axis and the lines x is equal to 1, x equal to 4 and the x axis, right? So as this is standard parabola y square equal to x, right, of x axis, so this is a parabola 0. This is your standard parabola y square is equal to x. So this is y square is equal to x parabola. Now it is given line x is equal to 1. So suppose this is a x is equal to 1. So this is line x is equal to 1 and line x is equal to 4. So this is a line x is equal to 4, right? And x axis, this is x axis, answer is y equal to 0 and this is y axis. So equation is x is equal to 0, right? So we have to find out this area. You can find out either this area, both are same. So we are going to find out this area only because x axis is given. So with x axis this is the area, either with x axis this is the area. Okay, so as shown in figure, required area A is equal to modulus of I, where I is equal to integration. So we are going to take a limit of this. This is 1 and this is 4. So what is our limit? 1 to 4, two parallel lines. So integration 1 to 4 y dx, right? So integration 1 to 4. Now y dx. So what we get? We have to take a square root of this. That is root x, right? So root x dx, right? Y is equal to y square is equal to x. So x is equal to root y, x greater than 0, first quadrant. Now you know integration of this is 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2 and limit is from 1 to 4. So 2 by 3 is constant, 4 that is 2 square. I am writing directly 2 square raised to 3 by 2 and minus 1 raised to any power is 1. So minus 1. So this will be cut. So 2 cube is 8. So what we get here? I is equal to 2 by 3. This is 8 minus 1, that is 7. 7 into 2, so 14 by 3. So this is your I. Therefore, A is equal to 14 by 3. This is your answer. Got it? Same question है. पैराबोला y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9x है, ये भी x एक्सिस का ही पैराबोला है, तो सेम फिगर है, सेम फिगर ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो दिस इज द पैराबोला. दिस पैराबोला इज y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9x. y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9x, राइट? This is y axis, that is x is equal to 0. This is x axis, that is y is equal to 0. And the line given x is equal to 2. Suppose this is a line x is equal to 2. No need to take a measurement. Okay, no need to take a scale. Draw figure, right? And this is line x is equal to 4, right? So 9x x equal to 4 and the x axis in the first quadrant. It said that you have to find out the area of first quadrant only. So this is the first quadrant area. So same what we have to do, integration 2 to 4 x dy, same thing, 2 to 4 y dx. So what we have to do, x को formulate करना पड़ेगा. So required area I am just discussing, you have to solve. So our answer is 2 to 4, right? We have to subject y, that is 3 root x dx. So integration is same, 3 is constant and you have to substitute value of 4 and 2. So we will get your answer. So ये आपके लिए practice के लिए मैं दे रहा हूँ, है ना? Another same question. It is also given in first quadrant and I hope so in this equation also we need first quadrant as per the answer given below, right? इसमें फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ही देना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ दिस इज, इट इज आल्सो गिवन इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, बट दिस इज द कर्व पैराबोला ऑफ y एक्सिस. सो पैराबोला क्या आएगा, ऐसा आएगा ये पैराबोला. ये पैराबोला हो गया. जो पैराबोला है वो x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4y है, तो ये x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4y पैराबोला. ये y एक्सिस है तो x इज इक्वल टू 0 होगा, और ये x एक्सिस है तो y इक्वल टू 0, और ये ओरिजिन line y equal to 2. So say this is the line y is equal to 2. So this is line y is equal to 2, and then line y is equal to 4. So this is the line y equal to 4. So we have to find out the area y axis and this. So in first quadrant, so we have to find out this area, right? So ये 0.2 होगा, ये 0.4 होगा. So a is equal to mod I. I'm not writing all explanation just as like this. Just I am giving you what you have to integrate, right? So mod I, where I is equal to, limit is 2 to 4. So I is equal to again 2 to 4, same question, right? 2 to 4 same question. और क्या करना है, तो इसमें से हमें y की लिमिट ले रहे हैं, तो y एक्सिमम फॉर्मूला चाहिए, तो क्या होगा, 2 root y होगा, right? So this is 2 root y and dy, that is your question. You have to integrate this. ओके, सो इजी है, मैंने दिखा दिया है. आपको सिर्फ इंटीग्रेशन करना है और आंसर आपको चेक करना है कि क्या हुआ, आर यू एबल टू सॉल्व इट और नॉट. यही प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपको, राइट? बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन रहते हैं ये, आपको सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस करनी है और ग्राफ पता होना चाहिए, कौन सा ग्राफ कहाँ से है और कौन सी लाइन. यदि ये y इक्वल टू यहाँ ले लिया तो कुछ फिर प्रॉब्लम होगा, वो तो कॉमन सेंस की बात है, right? Y is equal to is a horizontal line and x is equal to a is a vertical line that you learn in 11th standard. So ये बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन जो है सब क्वेश्चन इजी क्वेश्चन है, और जो डिफिकल्ट था वो तो आपके कोर्स में से ओमिटेड है. दिस ईयर करंटली दिस 2021 ईयर बोर्ड एग्जाम वो ओमिट है, तो आपको इजीली मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं आप अभी, तो है ना. Example number 4, page 364. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis. Line y is equal to x. So first line is given here. Y is equal to x. So say equation number 1. And circle x square plus y square equal to 32. Right? Circle. It is given x square plus y square is equal to 32. Say reason number 2. Center is 0 0 and radius r is equal to root 32, that is 4 root 2, right? So r is 4 root 2, right? Now when you have a two curves equation, right, that is not in your syllabus, but one line and curve is also you have to learn, right? So this is curve and this is a line. So you have to find out the intersection of that two curve, right? That is one line and curve. Means you have to solve these two equations and get the intersection point. So from 1 and 2, what we get? From 1 and 2. Solving this, that is substituting y is equal to x here, either x is equal to y. So we get 2x square. X square plus x square is 32. That is we get x square is equal to 16, means x square is equal to 16, means x is equal to plus or minus 4. We get x is equal to plus or minus 4, but it is from 1, it is x is equal to y, so same is y. So point of intersection is plus or minus 4 comma plus or minus 4. Point of intersection is plus or minus 4 comma plus or minus 4, right? So now after getting the intersection point, you have to draw a graph, that is figure, right? So I am suppose this is your circle, I am drawing here. This is circle with center 0 0, that is origin. So center of this circle is 0 0, that is origin, and radius is 4 root 2, that is this point is 4 root 2 comma 0. This is x axis, that is y equal to 0. This is y axis, that is x equal to 0. and you know line y is equal to x, that is x is equal to y, is I'm taking this line x is equal to y, right? So this is a line x is equal to y. Now intersection of these two curve is plus or minus 4 4. So if we take this is a plus 4, then this is 4 4, and this is both minus, that is minus 4 minus 4. These are the answer, right? Now find the area of the region in the first quadrant. Now this is important, right? First quadrant enclosed by the x-axis. So this is your x-axis. So this is x-axis. This is x-axis, right? I have a color chalk. So this is x-axis, right? This is x-axis. The line y is equal to x. So line y is equal to x. This is line y is equal to x. And circle. This is circle. So we have to find out the area enclosed by this. ये फाइंड करना है. तो इसमें देखेंगे तो क्या होगा? This is a line and this is a circle. This is equation of circle. That is x square plus y square is equal to 32. This is circle, right? So क्या करेंगे हम? यहाँ से एक foot of perpendicular. Suppose this point is A. Then we can draw a foot of perpendicular from here to here, right? Why we are not able to find out straightforward 0 to 4 root 2? Because there is a one is line and another is circle. So that's why we are not able to find out, because it's enclosed by two curves. One curve is finished here. One curve is finished here. So what we have to do? So say this is our I1 and this is our I2. So I1 is 0 to M. Now M is the foot of perpendicular from A. So this is a point 4, 0, as you know, as this is a foot of perpendicular. So M is 4, 0, right? So first I1 is 0 to 4 and the line is there. So line means you have to take x dx, and from 4 to 4 root 2 there is a curve, is a circle. So from circle you can get 32 minus x square, as you know, right? So this is the way you have to find out, right? तो आपको ऐसे फाइंड करना है. यदि आपको ये फाइंड नहीं करना है, सिंपली I1 जो है वो डायरेक्टली आप लिख सकते हैं एमसीक्यू के लिए. ये ट्रायंगल हो गया, तो ये लेंथ 4 है, ये पॉइंट भी 4 है, तो हाइट भी 4 हो गई. तो 16 डिवाइड बाय 2, दैट इज योर आंसर 8. आंसर ऑफ दिस I1 इज यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ 8, राइट? तो आपको जैसे लिखना है वैसे लिख सकते हैं. तो आपको एक्सप्लेन करके उसका explanation लिखना पड़ेगा कि in this triangle OAM, this is a triangle, so area of triangle is half base into altitude. Base 4 हो गया, altitude भी 4 हो गई, तो हो गया. यदि ये नहीं करना है तो I1 is equal to 0 to 4 x dx. You can get the answer same. Okay? So क्या किया हमने वो फिगर में, तो वो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. Now these are the intersection point. So as shown in figure, right? So I'm writing as shown in figure. Let M be foot of perpendicular from A on x-axis, right? Therefore, right? So I'm writing directly M40, that you know coordinates, so no need to write separately, right? So therefore required area, right? So therefore A is equal to mod I1 plus mod I2, where I1 is equal to integration. I1 is equal to integration 0 to 4, as we discussed, 0 to 4 x dx, and I2 is equal to integration 4 to 4 root 2, because this is I2, this is I2. So what you have to do? 0 4 to 4 root 2, and the curve is circle. So making these to a subject, we get square root of 32 minus x square dx, because y greater than 0, first quadrant. You know this thing. No need to write more steps. Now you are able to integrate this, right? So we get integration of this is x square by 2, 0 to 4. So this is 2 is constant, 4 square is 16. So 1 upon 2 into 16 minus 0. So no need to write, this is I1. And I2 is, you know, this is standard formula. This is root 32 square, that is 4 root 2 whole square, that you know. So if you want to write 4 root 2 square, then you can write, so x by a. So x by a is root 32, either 4 root 2, whatever you want to write, you can write x by a under root 32 minus x square. So 32 minus x square, a is plus, so a square by 2, that is 32 by 2. Sine inverse x by a is 4 root 2 and limit is from 4 to 4 root 2. Got it? This is your answer. पता चला ना आपको? हाँ, सिमिलर 2 क्वेश्चन है वो मैं आपको होमवर्क में देने वाला हूँ, तो ये आपको समझ लेना है, right? If you have any query, then call me, right? Okay. So now upper limit 4 root 2. 16 into 32, so everything is 0. If we substitute 4 root 2 here, we get this is 16 into sine inverse 1 minus. If we write 4 here, so 4 square is 16, 32 minus 16 is 16, right? And 4 is here, so 4 upon 4 root 2 into 4, this is 4 upon 4 root 2, 32 minus 4 square is 16, 32 minus 16 is 16, square root of 16 is 4, right? And plus 16 sine inverse 4 upon 4 root 2, right? Now sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, so this is 16 pi by 2 minus this 4 will be cut, so this will be 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2, 2 into 2 and 1 root 2, right? So minus 16, this 4 will be cut, sine inverse 1 upon root 2 is pi by 4, sine inverse 1 upon root 2 is pi by 4, so I am writing directly. So what we get, this is 8 pi minus 2 root 2 minus 4 pi, so we will get 4 pi minus 2 root 2, right? So after completion of this I1 and I2, we have A is equal to mod I1 plus I2. So A is equal to mod A plus mod 4 pi minus 2 root 2. Now pi is 3 point something into 4 is 12 point something minus some 2, that is positive. So this is 4 pi is the greatest number, this is smallest. So answer will be 8 plus 4 pi minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Got it? So answer will be, we make some mistake. It's a big mistake. X by 2 instead of that I put the same x by 2, right? So I can write I write A, not x by 2. So we require here x by 2. So for this while we are substituting value, this doesn't happen effect, but this is x is 4 by 2. So this we get 4 by 2. So 16 pi by 2 minus 16 by this. So this is we get 8. Sorry, हाँ दिख रहा हो, ये हो जाता है, मैंने आपको बोला ना ऑफ क्लासेस में ये ऐसा होता है, कभी कभी बाई 2 लिखना था तो हम ए की डिस्कस करें तो ये लिख दिया यहाँ पे x by 2, राइट? सो दिस इज 8 pi minus 8, ओके, minus 4 pi. सो 4 pi minus 8 हो गया, क्या हो गया? 4 pi minus 8. Now again, this is 4 into, okay, this is 8, this is 8. So 4 pi is 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 minus 8, that is positive number, right? So 4 pi is the biggest number, so minus 8, right? So what we get finally, answer will be 4 pi. answer will be 4 pi. So remember this thing, while you are given two curves, that is one curve and one line, straight line, you have to solve question using I1 and I2, right? We never apply limit from 0 to 4 root 2. If you want to apply that limit, right, then that method is not included in your syllabus. You have to subtract both curves, right? So I'm not going to explain this everything in this lecture, right? हाँ, क्योंकि वो टाइम वेस्ट होगा, तो मैं वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा हूँ. सो सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस जो है वो ऐसे सिमिलर क्वेश्चन आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में है. वो क्वेश्चन नंबर आपके पास है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, right? So find out the question number 6. What is given in question number 6? Question number 6 is given circle is x square plus y square equal to 4 given. So I am discussing about question number 6. You have to solve. और आपको प्रॉब्लम आई तो मुझे कांटेक्ट करना है, राइट? मैं वो सॉल्व करके दूंगा. So x square plus y square equal to 4 is given, right, in question number 6, and the line x is equal to root 3y. Line is given, x is equal to root 3y. So that is also easy question, same thing, x is equal to 3y, line is this, find out the intersection point, right? So circle is given, x square plus y square is equal to 4, and line is given, x is equal to root 3y, right? So instead of this line, y is equal to x, this is the line given, find intersection point, get same line, राइट? इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट मिल गया, फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कीजिए, वो जो आएगा वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, राइट? और ये जो है वो √3, 1 आएगा इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. सो ये √3 0 हो जाएगा. सो 0 से √3 होगा. आइदर यू कैन फाइंड आउट बाय एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल बेस इनटू अल्टीट्यूड, यू कैन फाइंड आउट, एंड देन फॉर दिस I2 you have to take √3 to radius is 2. So √3 to 2, that is your second limit, and solve, right? That is very easy. So that is your question number 6, right? And a similar 7th question is there, but that वो आपको मैं सॉल्व करवाता हूँ. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आप जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 नहीं, क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या होगा 6. 4 तो इलिप्स का था ना, वो सॉल्व कर दिया. So question number 6 is this.